Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mehnat. Today is day 2 of this calendars chapter. Let us discuss today with examples. You could see the examples here. I'll just explain 2 examples and later on I'll give you some practice questions. You try to solve those practice questions and put the answers in the comment box so that you could clarify your doubts in the next video and next session. First example is the common and basic sums which are frequently asked in exams and question papers are being picked and given for you as examples. First one is find 15th August 1947 is which day of a week. That means 15th August 1947 means it is the Independence Day for Indians. That is a like a rock stone. It is being remembered that 15th August 1947 is generally Friday. So let us do it. How does this come? You could see it here. First of all, you need to see that 1947, you need to calculate the year. In 1947, we need to remove 1600. Here, what is 1600? Is the nearest leap century. Nearest leap century for 1900 is 1600. When we remove that, 347 are the remaining years. Then here we need to calculate for this 347. For this 347, 300 is centuries and remaining 46 days. The 47th day is not completed yet. 47th day is until July. We need to find for until August. We need to find till August. So for this 300 centuries, as we know, for 1 century it is 5 odd days. 2 centuries, 2 into 5, 10 divided by 7, you get 3 odd days. For 300, that means 3 centuries, we get 1 odd day. In the similar way, for 46 days, we need to find the remaining odd days. In 46, how many number of days are there and how many number of F29s are there? Here F29s means the leap days, that is extra days. These comes under leap days and these are the normal days. So 46 normal days will be there, and by dividing this number with 4, we get the F29s. 46 divided by 4 is 11 times will get cancelled. And number of days we need to remove from 46. Then we get 35. These F29s are leaps. So into 2. These are normal days. So into 1. You need to add this 35 and 22. You get 57. And this whole part you need to get odd days by adding them and dividing with 7. You get 1 odd day. Later on, this 47th year, we need to count for every month. That means Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. For all the months I have written the odd days. That is 3 odd days for January. As it is not a leap year. This 1947 is not a leap year. So, I have taken February month as 0 odd days. March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August. August, how we need to calculate? Here this is the main point. In August, I have asked you for 15th August. That means 15th by 7. 15 by 7 means 7 2's 14. That remainder will be 1. So I have taken as 1 odd day here. So total how many odd days are there? How should we calculate here? 3 plus 3 6. Here 1 you remove 7. In this way, you need to cancel every 7 and finally you get 3 odd days are the remaining. Or else you could add up all these values and completely divide them by 7. Then you get 3 odd days here, and here in centuries you have got 1 odd day, and calculating all these leap and non-leap days, you got 1 odd day. Finally, we sum up them here. 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 5 odd days. And as I have given you in theory class notes, you have seen that coding from starts from 0 for days of a week. 5 means Friday. This is example 1. Our second example is find 19th September 1899 is which day of a week. As you are getting confused of this rough calculation, so I have written here 19th of 5th month, that is May. This is September, okay guys. This is not 5 and this is S. 19th September 1899. Okay, first of all, what did I tell you? We need to take the year and then minus the number of nearest leap centuries. That means 1600 I have removed from here. So finally I got 299. For this 299 I am taking as main one. In 299 we have 200. That means 2 centuries are there. For 2 centuries, how do we calculate? As you all know, 2 centuries means 3 odd days, because 1 century has 5 odd days. 2 centuries means 2 into 5, 10. When 10 is divided by 7, you get 3 odd days. In this way, you got 3 odd days for 200 centuries. And later, not 99 completely are there. Only 98 are completed and 99th one is incomplete, because until 19th September only it has moved forward. So 98 days only we need to take. That means, 98 years only we need to take. And in that, first of all, we need to divide this by 4. Then we get F29s. That means leap days. So we get 24 divided by 4. 4 24 times will get cancelled. So we write 24 here. And by removing 24 from 98, we get 74. As these are leaps, into 2. As these are normal days, D. These are into 1. So by adding both 48 and 74, we get 122, which on divided by 7, we get 3 odd days. Later, for 99th year, what did we ask? 19th of September. So until September we write, and as it is not a leap year, 1899 is not a leap year. So February month has 0 odd days. So on cancelling all of them, or simply sum up all them and divided by 7. You could do even that method also. By doing that, you get 3 odd days. So what is the total? Here we do it in blue color. 3 odd days from centuries and 3 odd days from days and 3 odd days from 99th year. So all these odd days sum up together 9. 9 divided by 7, we get remaining as 2 odd days. What did we code up for Tuesday is 2. So the answer is 2 for the second example. Now I'll display some practice questions which you need to note down and do those sums, and please send your answers in the comment box. Don't forget, by doing so I will get to understand how much are you understanding my class. These are the practice questions. First one is, what was the day of the week on 17th April 2014? Second question, 10th June 2011 is which day of a week? Third question, 19th July 2000 was Wednesday. Then what would be the day of week on 15th June 2012? Fourth question, 26th January 1950. So you need to calculate all these questions and please post your answers in the comment box. Don't forget to post your comments and press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next session.